Got my Darn Good yarn box in the mail today. This one is box 3. Ooh, I love this yarn. I have a shawl that I'm making with this exact same yarn right now. And this is the Lace Weight Silk yarn in Sparkle Sandy Beach. It is a #1 super fine. It's but it is beautiful. Nice. Some stitch markers. You can always use stitch markers. And let's see what the pattern is for this one. Just up if you want to read more information about the yarn and everything. Just pause it. Okay. Alright. Here is the crochet pattern. It's cute. There is the needle knit pattern. It's a shawlette. Oh no! That is the second crochet pattern. Wow, so this one has 2 crochet patterns and 2 knit patterns. Alright, there's the first knit pattern. And there is the second. Oh, that is really neat. It's braided together, or there's cables. I think that might just be cables. It's really cute either way. Awesome. This one had extra patterns. Yippee! Okay, that's all I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This yarn is so pretty. Actually, here. Open it up so you can see how it stripes. It is very, very pretty. Yay. Alright, questions, comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Make sure to check out the video description to get more information about Darn Good yarn. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to turn on your notifications, like, share, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.